Hi everybody. Here I am now in Welland, Ontario. Finally, we're in the new house that we've all bought together. My apartment's being made in the basement. This is the family's kitchen upstairs. And Faith is here with me, Faithey J, and she's with her brother Josiah.
Black Panther super fan.
Yeah, Black Panther super fan, and she's with Stana. Hi Stana.
Hi.
Stana is her sister, her new sister who's come from Haiti this year with her dad and her other sister, Deanna. You're right, Faith, she came last year. Now Faith is going to show us how to make chicken strips tonight, healthy baked chicken strips. So can you tell us what you're doing, Faith?
So you get the chicken strips or whatever, you take it and just roll it, put it in the flour, roll it around, give it a shake, put it in the egg with milk, and then when you finish shake it, and put it in the breadcrumbs, and do the same thing, like roll it around and stuff, and shake it, and put it onto the sheet.
That's good. And what's on the sheet there, Faith? Is that parchment paper, I think?
I think so.
Yeah. Want to show us another one? Do another one for us?
Okay.
Tell us again what you're doing.
So you put flour on it, shake it a little bit,
Mhm.
put it in the egg, and then
The egg and the milk.
egg and milk.
Uh-huh. Little shake.
Little shake, and then in the breadcrumbs.
Mm-hmm. And because I got this ready for the kids to do this, the breadcrumbs and the flour have salt and pepper. Now Josiah's going to do one.
So you take some chicken strips. It might feel weird when you're doing it. Get some of that. Get some flour. Put it in here.
What's that? What's here?
Put it in the egg and milk.
Huh? And Josiah confessed that he doesn't like raw egg, but he's doing it.
And put it in the breadcrumbs.
I'll give a little what?
And I love my egg now.
There you
More
go.
than that.
Want to do one more, Josiah?
Yes. So, go say one more time.
Yeah, say one more.
If your mom calls you and you forgot it
Uh-huh.
and missed it, put some flour, put it in the egg, and milk,
See, it's not so bad, eh? The egg, you can wash your hands.
and the breadcrumbs.
Uh-huh.
Roll it all around.
Uh-huh.
Make sure you get it everywhere so it's so much of good.
Okay, Stana.
Put it on there.
Thank you, Josiah. Yay! And then he's going to go over and wash his hands. Okay, Stana, you're going to show us what to do?
Hi. So you get a chicken lips. You
Put it
put
in.
it in the flour.
Yes.
Make sure you get it some around here a little bit. So when you're done, you shake it a little bit and then put it in the egg milk. And then shake it a little bit. And put it on the breadcrumbs. Roll it. And then shake it a little bit. And then put it on that paper.
Yes.
And then go do
Would you like to
the
do one more?
next one. Put it on the flour.
Would you like to do another one, Josiah? Because we're almost finished with
Yes.
this video.
Put it on the flour.
Go ahead and do it,
on
Josiah.
The egg and milk. The egg and milk. And then put it on the breadcrumbs.
Yep.
And then put in egg and milk. And then I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Okay. So you can finish that off, Josiah. I'm just going to tell everybody that now we'd put that on the parchment paper, and maybe we would have sprayed the parchment paper with some oven spray, you know, the cooking spray, but I don't happen to have any. I think they'll still cook okay. And we're going to cook them maybe for around 15 minutes until they're done, you can tell, and about 375, 400 degrees. So would everybody like to say goodbye?
Bye. Bye. Have a good day making these one day. Bye. Have a good day making this. Look, if your mom asks you what they show you on the video, you can show your mom that we did that.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Have
Bye.
a good day.